Hi guys, let's get ready with me. This is my first get ready with me video. So first step first is apply a nice perfume. Like I think the vibe while getting ready is equally important. So it just sets the entire tone of like, feeling good about getting ready, the entire journey, all of that. So once that's done, I'm gonna get my hair out of my way. Just tie a hair bun. Also, I have to tell you that when I know the next day I'm gonna wear heavy makeup or get ready, I usually prep my skin a night before. And what I have done is I use my facial oil, which I've made it by myself. This is the Botox Face Oil. I've shared the recipe with you guys. This is what I apply overnight on my skin, and what it does, it like really evens out all the fine lines and makes your skin feel very hydrated. So before applying the makeup, I don't usually like to put on any moisturizer, but I like to have a very moisturized skin, which I do with this oil. You'll see that this is it's an excellent oil. Like, see if you could see this. It's lightweight, but it's extremely moisturizing. And when I leave this on overnight, my skin, it doesn't need any TLC. Like if you see, it's like fully moisturized, soft and healthy looking, which any makeup artist will tell you, like, you need a healthy skin to have a good makeup. All right, so this is the first step, which starts the night before. Secondly, anytime I do makeup, I use the green tea face mask, and this is even more important. When last time I did my makeup with a makeup artist, the next day I got a breakout. Now, I don't know whether it was her brushes or whatever, but I'm just very scared now to do it without this. So this is the green tea face mask by Skinyoga, which has neem, it has green tea, it has rice. It's an excellent exfoliator, but at the same time, it just makes sure that your face is not a breeding ground for bacteria anymore, and it just gives you the extra protection. So I wash my face. This is my face wash the next day that I'm going to do my makeup. So I've already done this before I sat here. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, eyes, and then I'm going to do my base makeup. So this is the eyebrow pencil. I just like to fill in my eyebrows. I think a thicker looking brow makes all the difference. Look. See, I think, I just like my brows to be so full. It just gives a very like healthy, fuller face look. Second, I'm going to start working on my eyes, because what happens before you do your base makeup, if there's anything that's on your cheek or any pigment that's fallen on your cheek, it like just helps. Secondly, don't be surprised. I have these makeup brushes I wanted to show you guys, but I am not going to use any makeup brush. Like, I'm really scarred because of this one pimple, and this seems like a bacterial pimple. I don't know if it's the brushes, but honestly, before this makeup that I did with this makeup artist for 2 years, I had not used any makeup brush. I've always used my fingers, so I think today I'm gonna go with that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the base. It's a light shade of the eyeshadow, and then build it up. I think the shadow's done, and now the eye pencil. Like, if you've got your eye makeup right, I think everything else looks good. All right. Okay, next thing is the mascara. I think a good mascara which lifts up your eyelashes just makes the whole look so amazing. So I've been using this for a while, and this is, I think, the best. I personally think that when you apply makeup, obviously makeup has chemicals and things like that, but once in a while it's okay. And you should just make sure that you don't use expired makeup products. And you prep your skin properly, and you remove your makeup well after you bath. If you follow these things and you're gentle on your skin, it's fun to do makeup. Use good brands, not the local cheap ones. Avoid makeup artists. I wish we could always pinpoint like this is what went wrong and this is why I broke out or this is why my skin's looking drier. But it's never one thing. It's an overall build up. Alright, so now I'm done with my eyes and now I'm gonna start just concealing. So the spots, wherever I have like patches on my skin. See, this is how I look. Also guys, this is my first time doing makeup with everyone. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the amount of foundation that I use every time I do makeup. This is all you need when you do makeup with your fingers. I think this will give me full coverage. Okay, this is done. After that, I'm gonna just do a bit of heavy coverage. I just feel like on areas which I feel still can be a little even toned and it might look a little brighter, like just gently pat. And the reason we use the ring finger is because it's the lightest. Like it doesn't put too much pressure. Okay, so that's done. And now I'm gonna go to my highlighter. This is the highlighter. And the areas where you need to put highlighter is if you want to lift your face up just above the eyebrows. I mean, it is such a great tip, like just here and here. I think when you do your makeup and your makeup's turned out good, your skin looks good and you don't need too much work, it just says that you've taken care of your health. Guys, skincare is really inside out. Okay, on your cheek, this is right the middle of your eyeballs to the end. This is the area that you want to highlight. Yeah, just a bit of highlight. Great. Last but not the least, I'm going to use a nude shade lipstick for the contouring. The lipstick. That is it. So that's it. I'm done with my makeup and now I'm just gonna do my hair and that's it. Thank you for joining. Hope this helps. Last but not the least, cheers. Do you wanna guess what this is? What am I drinking today? It's rice water. Rice water again is excellent for your skin and your health. So just have the extra water that's left over after you cook your rice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.